Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box from Japan. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider over at zenpop.jp for a discount. There's subscription boxes, you get a ton of noodles in them, they're cool. So, what do I have today? I got this Sapporo Ichiban. So, Wau variety, and it's what's it called? Crab Nabe Shoyu, I think. I've no crab, but this is like, these are like kind of on the high end. They're kind of like, they're extra happy noodle cups. Naked cup, naked cup. Oh, there's where that went. Okay. So here's the noodle block. Re-entering the cup. And here's the very crabby scent. A little tiny bit of powder there. And we're gonna try doing this without spilling any of this water. I don't think I'll be able to pull it off, but here it goes. Where's the line? Where's the damn line? There it is. There. And yes, I spilled water all over the place. It's just my thing. I'm a messy guy. 3 minutes on the clock and going. Not only is it water, it's boiling hot water. So it's hot and it boils. So what's shaking, kids? I'm let's see, I'm 12 minutes out from 3 p.m. Yeah, today is my son Andy's first day of high school. You probably heard that 2 days ago. Well, through the magic of temporal mechanics, it's still true from where I'm sitting. So, but yeah, he should be out already. I'm gonna talk to him pretty soon. I'm stoked. I can't wait to hear how it went. I hope it went good. I really do. School's tough for him. I mean, school was tough for me. I don't know. I think parents are just like everything is a little more sensitive to things like, I don't know, bullying and depression and stuff like that. But it's like when you're a kid, oh man, I didn't get the new action figure video game insert thing that I don't really need but want here. Nowadays it seems like they go and hear that and they're like, oh, maybe battling depression. It's like, no, he just is a spoiled kid, you know? But I don't know. I'm ultra liberal, but I do have my points, like the whole everybody wins. No, everybody doesn't win. There's clear lines of winning and losing. Sometimes you do learn more from losing than winning. And sometimes when you win, it's hollow, a shallow, hollow victory. So, anyways, the lid of this one's kind of interesting. But yeah, I hope he does good in school. He's one of his classrooms has a freaking 3D printer. Wow! And he's got, what is it? Computer gaming design and like some engineering class? What the crap is that? Dude, when I went to school, our computer class, let's see, I was class of 93, so like in 91. That was like the last year I spent in high school before I was just like, eh. But, yeah, what was his name? Mr. Sherritt. I hope he's still around. He was a good guy. He wore like a bright green polyester shirt, and he had like these plaid polyester pants. He'd pull them up like they were gonna swallow them. Awesome dude, really funny sense of humor. But we had these computers. They were Morrow MD3s, And they were like from, I think, like 1978. They didn't run DOS, they ran CP/M. Yeah. All the new computers, the IBM PS2s, were up in the business crap room. Go learn your touch tapping. Microsoft Works. Be part of the future. There's the lid. Hello, hello, hello. So they've got these girl bands in Japan that have like 40 or 50 chicks in them. And then like, it's weird. It's really strange. And here's, yeah, it's NG something. But yeah. Cool. I like that kind of stuff. Anything with a tie-in, I'm all about. And actually, I've got a unboxing I need to do. I don't think I'm doing that today. I spent way too much time doing editing yesterday. But I've got an unboxing I want. I think it has a Pokemon thing on the inside, which is cool. Any kind of tie-ins I'm really into. There was like a Spider-Man cup some company did that was everywhere. All you gotta do is just pay for the licensing and you're set. You can make a lot of money in like that in Asia. Especially on ooh, look at you. Oh, come on. Get out of there. Come on. Alright. This is the kind of stuff I love. What's that? A little flour. Fish cake. Noodles seem a little lighter. Hi, Miles. Noodles are good. Yeah, they're all right. I'm not like losing my mind over them. What do we have here? Some cabbage. Very strong crab flavor. Very strong. So it's a crab shoyu, huh? The heck am I gonna do with this? Okay. And there it is. Got a little eggy waggy in here. Eggy waggy. Any of my sizzy whizzers? Aw, come on. I got the eggy waggy, but I need my sizzy whizzers, yo. Yeah, you can shoot me at any point. That was really unnecessary, and I apologize for my ridiculousness. But we have our eggy wiggy. Wow, that's nice. Very we go. Iggy wiggy. And how are we gonna do today? I think maybe something like that. Mountain. Scallion Mountain. There, you can summit Scallion Mountain. Oh, a little piece of Narutomaki. I don't know if I like the placing of that, I just don't care. Some Shichimi, or this is Nanami, it's the same thing I've been told. That was a little... Smash. And I think, yeah, okay. And a little bit of the oil, why not? Alright. The last one of the day. It's a fancy one. Here we go. What, are you still here? The show's over. Go home. Later.